Have you ever heard of the concept of the first ultra-intelligent machine? Back in 1965, mathematician Irving John Good made a bold statement about it being the last invention humanity would ever need. He envisioned a machine that would surpass the intelligence of every human who had ever lived, capable of designing even smarter machines and leaving us humans behind. Today, we find ourselves standing at the edge of a new chapter in our story: artificial intelligence. Unlike the tools of the past, AI has the potential to bring both harm and good. Imagine inventing the wheel but not knowing how to use it, or never imagining the concept of a light bulb. If those inventions had failed, our civilization would have likely continued in a similar manner. However, with the addition of AI, things are about to change. On one hand, if we were to create a sentient AI, it could surpass humans as the smartest species on Earth, and possibly attempt to take over the planet for its own benefit. But if we can harness the power of artificial intelligence and employ it for good, it could become our savior, capable of saving not just us, but the entire planet. This brings us to how AI can save humanity. But before we delve into the many ways AI is already shaping our world, I want to acknowledge a common concern. Many people don't have an issue with AI itself, but rather with how it's being developed. I completely understand this sentiment, as I share those concerns too. To prevent a scenario like Skynet from happening, individuals like you and me who care about the ethical use of AI need to be part of the decision-making process. We need to enter the rooms where these crucial choices are made. The key to achieving that is starting a career in tech. And the best part is, you don't necessarily need a college degree or previous experience to get started. The rapid advancements in AI technology have sparked widespread discussions about the potential of sentient machines taking over the world. It's only natural that there is a great deal of criticism surrounding the fast-paced development of artificial intelligence. We've even addressed some of the dangers associated with algorithms and AI tools in our videos, like the one featuring ChatGPT right here on our channel. However, amidst all of the concerns, it's important to recognize the positive impact that AI has brought to our world. In fact, it is already revolutionizing various aspects of our lives. One of the most significant challenges humanity faces right now is cancer, a disease that, given enough time, will eventually claim the lives of many individuals, with a staggering 1 in 2 people developing some form of cancer in their lifetime. But there is hope that this grim statistic might change in the near future. Artificial intelligence is playing a crucial role in advancing cancer treatment. By swiftly comprehending how cancer cells develop resistance to anti-cancer drugs, AI tools can greatly enhance the development and utilization of effective cancer medications. Pharmaceutical companies are leveraging AI to sift through vast amounts of data, employing predictive analysis to identify which molecules are best suited for combating cancer. And these advancements aren't merely theoretical. Researchers from the University of Toronto and In Silico Medicine recently used the computer program AlphaFold and the tool Pharma.ai to find a novel method to treating liver cancer. These breakthroughs highlight the tangible impact of AI in the field of cancer research and the potential it holds for finding innovative solutions to combat this devastating disease. Imagine the incredible power of AI tools in the realm of cancer research. In just 30 days, researchers using the AI tool not only identified a new target to attack cancer cells, but also discovered a molecule that could precisely stick to that target. This breakthrough could potentially lead to the development of a groundbreaking cancer treatment drug. Now think about what these researchers could achieve with more time and even more powerful AI tools at their disposal. The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. AI is not only making waves in cancer research, but also in the field of medical imaging. By analyzing CT scans, X-rays, and MRIs, AI algorithms can detect lesions and other abnormalities that might go unnoticed by human radiologists. These pattern-oriented and repetitive tasks are where machines truly excel. Even if AI isn't quite ready to assist with critical areas like surgery or specialized care just yet, it has the potential to enhance the productivity of medical professionals by 2 to 3 times, and that's probably a conservative estimate. This could pave the way for a healthcare revolution, helping us address the projected shortage of up to 48,000 primary care physicians by 2034. Now, let me tell you about an interesting incident that highlights the potential of AI in aiding diagnosis. There was a dog suffering from perplexing symptoms caused by an unknown tick-borne disease. The worried owner decided to input the details of the symptoms into the latest model GPT-4. And much to their surprise, GPT-4 hypothesized a list of probable diagnoses for the dog's condition. Armed with this information, the owner sought a second opinion from another veterinarian, who confirmed one of the diagnoses that GPT-4 had suggested. This real-life example demonstrates how AI can assist in identifying and understanding complex medical conditions, providing valuable insights that help both pet owners and healthcare professionals alike. Let me tell you a heartwarming story about the power of AI in veterinary care. While the puppy definitely needed to see a real vet, GPT-4 played a significant role in speeding up the diagnosis process. Thanks in part to GPT-4's insights, the dog received timely treatment and made a full recovery. AI, even though it's not a replacement for professional veterinary care, can truly make a difference in saving lives. AI's impact extends beyond veterinary care though. It can also empower individuals with living disabilities, enabling them to lead more independent lives. Apps like Be My Eyes and Virtual Volunteer are incorporating GPT-4 to assist the blind and visually impaired in interpreting the world around them. Additionally, we now have nearly accurate real-time captioning software that allows people with hearing impairments to enjoy movies, participate in online classes, and even have meaningful conversations with their loved ones. The potential of AI to enhance accessibility and promote independence is truly remarkable. Speaking of accessibility, mental health has become a pressing concern in recent years. The rise of mental health issues has placed a heavy burden on individuals, families, and society as a whole. AI can play a pivotal role in developing diagnostic tools, personalized treatment plans, and even providing virtual therapy through chatbots and interactive platforms. In fact, one surprising reason why many people have been using ChatGPT lately is for mental health support. It's no wonder that the number of posts per day on the relationship advice subreddit significantly dropped after ChatGPT was released. The immediate access, lack of judgment, and creative potential of AI make it an excellent tool for mental health support. It has the potential to address the shortage of mental health professionals, increase the access to care, and reduce the stigma associated with seeking help. Education is another field where the incredible power of AI can be harnessed to achieve remarkable things. Let me share with you how ChatGPT has been a game changer for individuals with dyslexia. They have flocked to Reddit communities to express their gratitude for how this AI tool has allowed them to learn at their own pace, something that traditional classrooms could never provide on such a large scale. They wish this technology had existed earlier in their lives. Sure, we've had online classes before, but the content was never tailored to each individual's unique needs. This is where artificial intelligence comes in. With AI tools, you can create personalized learning experiences with just a single prompt. Of course, there is a trade-off. Some students have started copying and pasting AI-provided information without actually reading or comprehending it. This has raised concerns that students might lose interest in truly learning what they can simply ask ChatGPT to do. But let's ponder on this. Is it the tool's fault or a reflection of our current education system? Consider a similar scenario. One of ChatGPT's remarkable capabilities is assisting with coding. One might think this would discourage people from learning to code. However, there are countless stories of individuals who, for the first time, have found a friend in ChatGPT. It not only provides them with examples of good code, but also points out their mistakes and does so in a respectful manner. This in stark contrast to coding forums known for criticizing users for asking seemingly obvious questions. I've been a victim of that myself. The potential of AI in education is immense. It can customize learning experiences to meet each student's needs, bridging the gap between well-resourced and under-resourced schools. By identifying and addressing the unique strengths and weaknesses of students, AI encourages a more inclusive and effective learning environment. This has the potential to reduce educational inequality significantly. As a demonstration, GPT-4 can even write the code for a website based on a rough drawing on a napkin. Imagine the power this brings a small business owner to kickstart their project, an endeavor that would previously require significant time and money, but now it can be accomplished with a few well-written prompts. Of course, there are concerns about job displacement with all of these advancements. But let's ask ourselves, how many people truly live to write emails? How much meaning do we derive from spending hours debugging code only to find out that a missing semicolon was the culprit? Wouldn't we rather invest our time in more meaningful pursuits like trying to understand the meaning of life and our place in the universe? AI has the potential to free us from mundane tasks, allowing us to focus on more profound and purposeful endeavors. Without a fundamental reconstructing of their architecture, cognitive scientists and AI researchers like Gertzel believe that these models will never realistically be able to think like humans anyway. However, even though AI may not have the ability to make independent decisions, its power lies in its capacity to summarize vast amounts of information, which can significantly aid innovation in research. Combined with its teaching capabilities, data analysis prowess, and brainstorming abilities, AI becomes an information juggernaut that revolutionizes the way we learn and comprehend things. This also extends to preserving information of the past. AI can assist in digitizing, organizing, and analyzing immense cultural data, ensuring that future generations can learn from and appreciate the accomplishments of those who came before us. It has even been used to speak nearly extinct languages, playing a vital role in their preservation. Now imagine harnessing all of this power to solve our civilization's most pressing problems, whether it's combating climate change, preparing for asteroid impacts, addressing pandemics, or finding sustainable energy resources. Artificial intelligence can be a valuable ally, and it can accelerate innovation, increase efficiency, and alleviate pressure in healthcare systems, making them more prepared for crucial situations. Considering all of these possibilities, one might question the morality of not fully embracing AI at this point. Just consider the potential innovations that a superhuman artificial general intelligence could bring. According to Gertzel and other researchers, they could start curing diseases like cancer and mental illness, address climate change, advance space travel, achieve mind uploading, enable affordable food production, and harness fusion energy. It could usher in an era of abundance where people are liberated from mundane work and can focus on social, spiritual, artistic, and intellectual fulfillment. By contemplating the risk, AGI researcher George Shabak aptly stated that there may be a 10% chance of people dying if we develop artificial general intelligence, but there is a 100% chance of people dying if we don't. This technology holds immense potential, especially for you and me, to shape a brighter future for humanity. And that wraps up our exploration of how AI is saving humanity. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Remember to stay tuned for more captivating content on the latest advancements in artificial intelligence and their profound impact on our world. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our exciting future discussions. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.